some aluminum wheel cleaner from O'Reilly's. We're about to have a EF versus DA car meet out here in the Bay Area, so we're all getting prepped up for that. Casey's right now grabbing his tires with Josh, so I'm just gonna clean my wheels and kind of just clean up and bolting up, you know, tighten up some bolts and, you know.
Look, you want to get some cool shit on video?
Oh, that's fucking hilarious.
Sticker removal with plastic so you don't scratch your paint.
Yeah, gotta get that gay ass shit off my car.
What's wrong with it?
Ground design?
You don't know? You never heard of ground design, bro? They're the people who design grounds.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
They design the best grounds around, okay?
Should I even incorporate these on my car anywhere?
Oh, you're flashy, huh? Promote that shit. Fuck it, promote it.
Just VTEC right under VTEC, right?
VTEC, just
Double-
Wouldn't I just,
everywhere.
Then you got double VTEC.
right? Then I'd be like Super Tech.
Just write B16 all over it.
Yeah, I'll just put VTEC here and then I'll put one here.
No, you gotta do it offside the car.
Are you gonna do a windshield banner that says I'm swapped and straight piped?
Yeah.
No, see, that's the thing is, I just don't want to advertise my shit.
Then don't.
Then why you got that?
Yeah.
Then when you pop the hood of the show, they're gonna know.
Well, this comes
It's hard
with the
to
car.
avoid. It's hard to.
I mean, I can take that
That's
off.
a lot of work. Yeah.
I have the whole
But it's
other.
like you're gonna take it off and people are gonna go like, oh
I
yeah,
have a shaved valve cover.
that's cool.
I already have. I have one.
I mean, that's cool.
I just like to keep it low key.
I mean,
It's just
it's
stock.
obvious VTEC.
Looks nice. Yeah,
kinda
anybody
hard
that
to-
knows what they're looking at is
You'll
gonna
hear it.
know anyway.
You'll hear it crack.
Hey, no, but you
No,
know what?
I don't.
To keep it so 100, I have a coworker. I popped my hood. I said it's stock, bro.
I know he didn't know what he's looking at.
He's all like, oh yeah, what? That's cool. And I was like, yeah. He just was all like, oh yeah, it looks cool. He doesn't even know. If they
So
know,
look.
they know. If they don't, they don't.
Is that like a 99? Like a, you know how
It actually goes a little lower, I believe.
yeah, it goes like somewhere in here. Huh?
Yeah.
And then it's got like the lines.
Yeah, I believe so.
Or
Yep.
is it?
I don't know if there's two. I think they do have the lines.
Well,
not
obviously
too
I'm
sure,
gonna
but I
cut
don't-
this. Okay, here's something around the box. I don't know. Someone put something on it. I gotta get that shit off. It's
You
nice.
gotta somehow spray that red.
Dude, I gotta just.
That's an eyesore.
I'm gonna
for sure.
peel this out. I don't know why it's even there. Like I have no idea why that's there.
I don't know. You should leave it. Just spray it black.
I think they did that. I don't know why.
Never
Look,
will.
I just need to put it over the. You look, so they can't see it's a twin cam. Put it over.
For real.
I'm gonna do that right there. That's where it's going. I don't know. I'm in between what I want to do.
This is how we prep before a DA and EF meet.
We don't know what we're doing. That's why.
There's so much not really to do, so you make up shit to do.
We could literally strip anything off of any car here and put it on here. Like, oh, this, I want to try that. I want to do this, and then, you know.
Hey,
You
your
see
boy that came and saved me for that tire,
Yeah, Brandon.
he was tripping because I couldn't even get the Pittsburgh floor jack under my car.
Ha!
He was like, your shit slammed to the ground. I had to lift the front a little bit to get it underneath.
That's
Oh,
hilarious.
what the hell? Why is it so low? I'm gonna check my front hub bearing because it feels like it's blown up. Hey, is this supposed to move this much?
What? Hell no, you need a new hub.
New
I
wheel
was gonna say,
bearing.
the hub bearing's blown, right?
Yeah. But it's
I can
cheaper
feel it when I drive. It's like,
cheaper to buy a whole new hub, bro, than to buy a bearing. That's what
I'm gonna buy a whole new
Yeah, it's
hub assembly.
cheaper and easier. you're gonna buy a bearing, then you gotta go get it pressed, or you can have Casey press it, I guess. I don't know.
A little bit more.
That's this one.
Huh? It's so wide. Damn. Yeah, I gotta roll the shit out of it. That's nice.
Got a little plastic guard off, and then
That's nice. That's not a plastic guard. It's a stick-on strip. That has nothing to do with the car.
Or your car's too small.
It is. No, my suspension is too low. Because if it was longer suspension, it would touch right here.
I'll lower it down.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna. Yep.
Yep.
I'll get right on that.
Yeah.
I'm just
Gotta
gonna.
start. The sun's
I'll put
going
the
down.
stock suspension back on and start over.
The sun's going down. You know already.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it the old school way then.
This shit always happens when before an event or some shit. That's why I kind of felt like my motor was gonna blow before.
Yeah, right before you get to
Yeah. I kind of had I had just a feeling. I don't know. It just was like
That's how it goes, right?
That's just how it goes.
My fan
Okay.
switch broke. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get to the show.
We're gonna get there.
Shit happens in the trash.
Hey, can you like, I don't know, disconnect your, man, you're gonna kill yourself.
No, I had to wrap this around it so when we're driving down the road it doesn't become unconnected and I don't hear my fan. Man, I'm so scared to overheat this car, dude. I don't want to fucking do the head gasket on it. Fuck that. I mean, it's hella easy, but I just don't want to fucking do it. If I don't have to, obviously you don't want to, nobody wants to overheat their car. Just put it that way. Nobody. I don't know anybody that's like, yes, overheat me.
All real racers.
There it is there.
All real racers.
Hey.
All real racers.
Hey, there ain't no real racers, okay? Furious is gone.